now.
5 minutes.
It's recording, baby.
Yeah, it's recording. Hey guys. Hi,
Hi,
Papa.
guys.
Oh.
Hi, guys.
Hey guys.
Hey, guys.
So it's already, oh my, it's already
7.
2:07. We're still up
Mm-hmm.
because we did a lot of things.
Nagluto muna kami ng peach mango pie.
It's kind of feel.
Well,
But it's
hindi
not that
namin,
bad.
hindi namin natapos. So, probably tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tsaka may class pa siya ng 7 a.m. Ako naman, wala. So, ayun nga.
Anyway, do you know what this is?
Bumili kami ng DJI
Yeah.
360 camera.
Yeah, it's the
Pero
Osmo
hindi yan
360.
fully paid.
Hindi siya fully paid.
Mm.
Kasi hello, it's
Wala pa kaming pera and estudyante pa lang kami. So,
really expensive.
yeah.
But, yeah, ito yung
First,
big purchase namin together.
hindi na namin sabihin yung price, pero
Yeah.
grabe. Para sa amin, malaki na yun kasi estudyante pa lang kami. Hindi naman kami artista or influencer.
Yeah.
Talagang, hindi, galing sa
Gets
allowance
ko
natin,
naman.
ipon talaga. I mean, hindi naman kami humihingi.
Naalala ko yung sinabi mo na kanina.
Alin?
Gusto mo ng waterproof Camnex. Ganyan.
Yeah.
Yun yung gusto niya. And I was like, what am I gonna do with that? Hindi pa ako marunong
Hindi,
lumangoy sa
syempre,
music.
kapag scuba diving,
Alam
nasabi
mo,
sa'yo, tuturuan ka
isipin
ta.
mo ha.
Hmm.
Kahit nabublob ako doon, yung camera nasa baba, ako nasa taas.
Tuturuan nga kita.
Ah? It's your friend.
So, okay. Come on.
So kilig.
You're so kilig. Package 2. Pakita mo sa kanila.
What's this?
The DJI, just make sure na hindi scam to. Oh my God. Okay. No. Just open it. Happy ako na may na-purchase tayo na ganyan.
Just look at this.
Oh my God. Are you happy, love? I love you.
I love you.
So,
Looks like this. This is the DJI Osmo 360. There are 3 more batteries. And then ito yung parang charger. And then the selfie stick. Ganon. Pero, other than that, mayroon pang mga ibang inclusions. Such as the pouch.
Actually,
Lens
dun sa
protector.
inclusions lang niya kapag binili mo yung ano lang. Yung selfie stick. And then, meron siya nitong rubber lens.
Selfie stick. They're not selling it kasi talaga na parang individually.
Yeah,
Kasi
hindi nga.
diba?
Naka
Parang package talaga siya.
Sabi ko sa kanya, pala sabi ko, ano bang gusto mo? Nag-iisip pa kami kung DJI or
the other one, Osmo 360.
no, Insta 360. Talagang nag-check pa kami sa mga ibang influencers sa TikTok na yung difference, yeah. So, mas better talaga yung quality ng DJI. And mas wide nga lang yung Insta, pero mas better yung quality. Bigla akong sabi sa kanya, ayaw mo ng action camera. Yung pagka-check ko, DJI action camera 6 is sold out. Ang bilis ma-sold out ng 6. Tapos meron din yung 5. Mahilig naman kami mag-adventure kami parehas. Pero mas gusto niya to, and ako sabi ko, sige, mas maganda din kasi mas kita mo yung buong. Every time na
I already opened 3. So, I think this is the protector, mahal. Ayan o.
Oh, yeah.
Ito yung protector. Hindi siya yung mismong protector. Yung camera.
Okay.
It's Osmo.
Yeah.
This is the case. Parang ito lang talaga yung case nila. It's like, ano siya. So, meron na to. Panglinis. Charger na to. I think ito yung nilalagay sa pang tripod siguro to. Ito yung adapter mount pala.
Adapter. Wala pa talaga kaming idea kung paano gamitin to, paano i-transfer yung para sa selfie stick.
Oh, maybe. Oo nga pala. Selfie stick pala.
Siya,
Ito yung
na
battery. Actually, I feel like this is a charger. This whole thing is a charger.
Ito yung charging ano
Ito
niya.
yung charger. Parang charger
So, tatlo
port.
siya.
Maybe
Nakita ko yun
meron
sa
si
TikTok,
Mama.
may ganito. It's
Yung
only dupe lang ba yun?
Oo, may nakita din
May
ako na
nakita ka
parang
din,
less
diba?
than 1K. It's hard to trust yung mga
Other
brands na
brands.
ganun. Lalo na parang
Baka
meron
malay mo
talaga.
ikasira ng device.
Hirap na.
More on, yeah.
It's better na doon na talaga sa trusted. We have the battery, we have the protector, and wait a minute, it's the selfie stick. Wait, open this one.
Nantok na kami parehas eh. Kasi nga.
Yeah.
Ganito yung ano niya, yung selfie stick niya. May nakalagay na Osmo. Wala akong maghawak.
Guys, it's a camera.
Ayan yung nalagyan ng camera.
Yeah. This is the camera. So it says Osmo 360. And then
Pag yun talaga hindi nag-open, ewan ko na.
no way. No. Oh, so nice, love. So nice.
Really? You like it?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Oh my god. Baby, it's here. It's here. We're just like thinking about getting it.
Ano yun? So,
Dalawa siya.
dalawa siya.
Yeah, dalawa siya. Let's try it. Guys. So, let's open it. What's
Ay, pag
perfect?
nagtanggal ka dyan, baka just try mo munang ganyan.
Okay, let's try to open it. You happy?
Of course I am.
It says English.
Ay,
Ayan.
yan na. Anong password ko?
Ayan. So guys, apparently there are 2 apps of DJI. May isang DJI and isang DJI Fly.
Anong
Right? So, I'm connect to app, update to Yun lang yung sinasabi niya. Ooh, I can see myself. Guys, it looks like that. Baba.
Oh, okay.
Ang galing. So, ganyan siya.
Okay.
Guys, it looks like that. That's the ultra wide. Come on. Look. Is it? Ano yung mali?
Anong mali?
Why is it not in the middle?
Yan, sige na.
Activate photos and videos.
Oh, okay.
It's so nice. Are you happy?
Of course I am happy, love.
Wait, no. Hey guys. Hi,
Hi
Papa.
guys.
Are you
Hello.
happy? Oh, it's so nice. So nice. Pwede siyang i-ano. What?
Yeah.
Ito din yun.
Yeah, parehas lang.
Nakasiro doon.
Mga para tayong nagundo.